This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Rachel Warren. In the heart of downtown Knoxville you will find the best of city living inside the historic Candy Factory. This loft-style condo is situated on the third floor and has some of the best views of the city, the World's Fair Park and the iconic Sunsphere. Enjoy front row seats to fireworks displays, live concerts, and all the happenings in the park below buzzing with energy. Inside, the loft is filled with natural light and has gorgeous exposed brick, beams, hardwood flooring and an open floor plan with high ceilings. You are just steps away from the park, award-winning restaurants, nightlife, museums and theaters, and the university. Knoxville is a vibrant city and this loft affords endless opportunities for entertainment and exploration. Showings start Tuesday, March 19th, but you may book your showing now. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Warren at 865-687-1111.